morning, everyone. My name is Martha. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I hope that you consider subscribing. And if you've been here from before, well, thank you so very much. I'm super excited about today's Dollar Tree DIY. It's a simple Christmas wreath. It was the simplest one I think I've ever made, but it's so cute. It's so whimsical. It's so happy, and I just can't wait to show it to you. So here it is, you guys. Look at this, you guys. My second favorite bird in the whole world is the cardinal, and here it is in this beautiful wreath. Look at, isn't this just super adorable and happy? I only used 7 items in total from the Dollar Tree. It was so quick and easy. I can't wait to share it with you. So I hope that you will join me. Thank you for watching today, and I hope that you all have a great day. Let's get started. I found this beautiful decor at the Dollar Tree, and this is one of the items we're going to use. It's going to be the centerpiece of it all. I'm also going to use a bicycle wheel wreath form. I also found this really pretty holiday garland I thought was so festive, so I'm going to use that as well. I also found these beautiful holly bouquets, and I'm just going to use parts of it. I think I'm going to end up just using one. I also found these adorable little cardinals, a set of 2 ornaments, some Jenga blocks, and some craft sticks. So let me go get some hot glue and let's get this done. It's going to be super simple, inexpensive, and beautiful. Okay, so I have this old piece of flour from a previous purchase that I made from the Dollar Tree, and I have a whole bunch of them, so I'm going to use this. You can use any piece of wood. They sell small pieces of wood at the Dollar Tree if you need to get one, but I'm just going to use this flour, and I'm going to glue it to the center, and I'm going to put it right there in the middle. I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to add more glue on this side, just so that it is secured. And I also decided to add 2 pieces of craft sticks to the back of the flower. And I'm just gonna wait for this to dry before we continue. But what I did do, and maybe you can start doing that, is I cut some craft sticks. So I cut them like to more or less to the size of the border. And then I'm gonna glue them, but from the other side, because this is the back, and I'm gonna glue them in the front. I just need to wait for this to dry. Okay, and it is glued. I'm going to glue the beautiful, large Christmas ornament here in the center, and I'm going to glue it onto this. As a matter of fact, I may want to bring this up even a little bit more. And I do, so I'm going to use some Jenga blocks for that. Maybe 3. Add some hot glue to the center of each of the Jenga blocks, and then just put them down on whatever it is you placed in the center of your bicycle wreath form, whether it's a piece of wood, whether it's an old flat decor that you have, whatever it is you use, just hot glue 3 of those in the center. I'm going to start hot gluing these craft sticks all around, like so. And they don't have to be the perfect size, just so that they go around, because that's where we are going to glue our border decor around the centerpiece. See, just like that. I'm gonna go around the entire thing. And here it is, you guys. So I left one little piece without putting a craft stick on because of the metal piece up here. Like that. I don't really need it there. And that's the way we're going to hot glue it on the top. This is going to be such an easy craft. Just going to add the hot glue and holding it down until it dries. And this is how it's looking so far. And now it's time to start working with this beautiful holiday garland. When I saw this, I just couldn't resist buying it. This is the only item that is $3 and it is from the Dollar Tree. It is so festive and it's actually very easy to work with. So as you can see, I am hot gluing this garland all around the wreath. So we are going to be hot gluing. This is a hard one. This is not just like a soft puff. This one is like a ball. They're so cute. You're just gonna hold it down. So I'm going to go all around hot gluing all these pom-poms and come back to you when I am done. Look at that, you guys. How cute is that? And I pretty much have gone around the entire wreath. And you know what? I think I'm just gonna have one last ball. Extra. One of these candy cane balls. Everything else is going to fit in perfectly. Look at that, you guys. I'm gonna hold the last one down. I think this has been the easiest and most inexpensive wreath I have made. I decided to add a little bit of lights, so these lights are from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm just gonna place them all around the inside of the wreath. So I'm just gonna hot glue the battery pack to the back of the wreath, and then I'm going to slide the lights in through the corner to the front so that I can hot glue it all around the inside of the wreath. I'm using multicolored lights because I think the entire wreath is just so happy and colorful that I really like the way that the colored ones look, but you can add just white lights if you decide to. So here it is, the completed wreath. What do you guys think? I hope you like it as much as I do. I think it's such a pretty wreath. It's not anything fancy, but it's just so colorful and happy, and the colors are vibrant, and that cardinal in the middle is gorgeous. That little guy up there is so cute. I hope that you make something beautiful for your home this Christmas. Dollar Tree has so many pretty things to pick from that, if we just use our imaginations, we can come up with something really nice for just, not a whole lot of money. So I hope that you will join me for my next video. I have another Christmas craft coming up, which I think is going to be super cute. So I hope that you will join me for that. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope that if you like it, that you give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope that you will do so. I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, have a great time, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.